What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome to this video. Plain and simple, man. We're talking about myEcon and their Black Friday promo, and I'm just going to spell it all out for you here. Hopefully this video is short and sweet for you and just straight to the point so you know what you're getting for value. It's as simple as this: for less than $10. And by the way, that is refundable if you're crazy and decide that you don't want to make large weekly commissions, if you don't want all of this value. But for a very, very limited time, this is the lowest price you're ever going to see a membership for myEcon. But not only that, and I've spelled this out for you in so many other videos, you are getting over $11,000 in free value with your membership, which is less than $10. I can't make this any more stupid simple for you. Please don't be a fool. Don't pass this up. Don't live with regret and be like, oh man, I should have done it. Just get yourself started. Lock in. You can see the link there on your screen. I know it might be a little small. I'm sure I have it at the top of this video here. Also, link in the description down below. Go ahead and get yourself started. For less than $10, here's exactly what you're going to get, okay? So you can see, obviously, the benefits on the right. Let's talk about that first right now. So obviously, you have your whole myEcon membership, which, not to mention, let's forget about the business for a second. Let's forget about promoting and income and the done-for-you system and all that stuff. Let's just talk about the actual membership. This is going to help you make and save more money. It's going to put more money back in your pocket. It's going to, teach you how to minimize your taxes, increase your income, okay? Repair your credit, and so many other things. And you could do all of that without even promoting the business, okay? And you can do that right now for literally less than $10. The average person, just to give you one example here, like I'm not going to go through everything. I'm going to give you one example. The average person that is doing the income shifting is seeing an increase of 10 to 15% in their take-home pay. So I want you to think about this. If the average person, let's say, makes $50,000 a year, I'm going to do some basic math for you, okay? $50,000 a year, okay, times, let's just say, we'll just do 12%, okay? So $50,000 a year, let's take an average of 12%, okay? What's that? That's $6,000. We're going to divide that by 12. Okay, that's $500 a month. $500 a month. On average, you could be increasing your take-home pay, and you could do that for $9.95. Like, is that worth it? Would you trade $9.95 today, right now, for an extra $500 a month in income? And if the answer is no, please unsubscribe from my channel. Get off this video. Go watch something else. If you don't see the value in that, I apologize. I can't help you. Sorry. But if you do see the value in that, I don't know what you're waiting for. Link in the description down below. Get started. And then you get everything else that I'm now about to share with you. You get the rest of the myEcon membership. So think about that. Like, you could be making more money today, right now, without even promoting the business. But here's what else you're going to get. You're obviously going to get the rest of the membership and all the other services that I don't even have listed, okay? You're going to get our done-for-you system, okay? Literally all of your funnels, your sales, you have like, I think right now there's like 6 sales funnels that we're going to give you. We're going to give you all the training that's going to show you how to use them, how to set up your links, how to start sharing content on social media, whether you want to use like, solo ads, Craigslist, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. Like, we teach you how to do literally everything. You're going to get all of that. Okay. We're going to give you a custom app. The app is valued at over $1,500 a month. You don't have to pay for that. It's yours absolutely free with your membership, right? Everything you need. Okay. Also, we're going to give you multiple additional courses and training and education. YouTube University. This is literally going to teach you how to grow, scale, and monetize on YouTube. We're going to give you a Craigslist posting software. Normally, all the stuff, guys, everything that you see here where it says $500 value, $500 value, $1,000 value, all this stuff retails on the side. All this stuff is sold out there on the web. You can go buy it individually and pay $500, pay $700, pay $1,000, or for $9.95, you can get started and we can give it to you for free. So you have courses on YouTube. You have a Craigslist posting software, which you can post like multiple ads at once. Like, imagine having a Facebook posting ad software. You can post multiple ads at once without ever having to worry about your ads getting shut down. That's what the Craigslist software does. Okay. Again, sold for $500 on the side, or we could give it to you for free with your $9.95 membership. Okay. Scalability Pro, Social Mastery Blueprint. Those are courses that are going to teach you how to get out there and crush it on social media. Okay. We're going to put you into our own team traffic rotator. I've showed you in other videos. We spend $300 a week, $1,200 a month driving traffic to our team rotator. We're going to market your business for you, literally for $9.95 to get started. Okay. Or you can go out and pay traffic on your own. It's up to you. Okay. And lastly, I'm going to plug you into my own personal rotator. Okay. So I have my own personal rotator, which I share out to my email lists. I share out to other social channels. So I'm going to market your business for you. So we're going to market your business for you in our team rotator. And we're going to do that. I'm going to do that personally for you, but only for a very limited time if you get off your butt and you get started. I don't know what else you're waiting for. I mean, if you don't understand that this is crazy, insane value and you're never going to see this again, this might not be the video for you. This might not be the fit for you. If you can't comprende, if you don't understand everything that you're getting right now, like, I don't know if there's help for you. I'm sorry. But this is one of the most insane values offers that we've ever done. And it's a complete no-brainer. But depending on the timer that you see here on your screen, depending on when you watch this video, might want to get in on that. Simple as that, my friend. Simple as that. Short, sweet, easy video. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead, smash that thing. Smash that red, it's usually red, subscribe button. Really does help the channel out. And if you're not in on the inside, get on the inside right now. Trust me, it's way better to be in here than it is standing there on the outside, looking in, pondering down. Like, are you really going to debate $10? Like, are you really going to debate $10? Like, if you get in and you don't like what you see, you can get your money back. I mean, like, your success is literally guaranteed. You can get in, you can provide the tools and resources that we give you. You can do the work, you can get the results. If you don't like what you see, you can get your money back. Like, you literally can't lose. You can't lose. I got nothing else other than that. Like, this is insane what we're doing right now. The value is absolutely off the charts. For $9.95, you get over $11,000 in free value. And oh, by the way, we're going to market your business for you. Like, crazy. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. Most insane value, most insane offer I've ever been a part of. It's awesome. I love it. We're like bringing in dozens and dozens of people per hour. It's insane. You should be one of them. Hope to see you on the inside in just a few minutes. If you have any questions for me, my phone number is right down below the video. Send me a text message or drop a comment down below. Otherwise, hit the link, get started, lock in. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.